Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just washed my hair. If you guys know, if you're coming from my Instagram, then you should know I just launched my jewelry brand, which is called Amala, which means pure, clean, and it is also a name of goddess Lakshmi, and it's pronounced Amala. I just was really stunned when it was said that it is also a name of goddess Lakshmi, and I was like, yes, exactly, this is what I want, Lakshmi in my life. बहुत सारी लक्ष्मी चाहिए मुझे मेरी लाइफ में. Yesterday I posted a post on Amala Jewels. Today I'm going to do a collab post between Amala and my account. I'm going to wear this huge earrings from my brand. OMG, it looks stunning. I was really not sure which earrings to wear on this. Dangling hooks as well. So I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite earrings. So this is the earring. And I just love it so much. It's just so pretty. Wait, I'll just show you. Look how it looks! It has this pearls in the end and then a diamond here, and it's just so pretty. And then this side, it's giving chic, it's giving luxe, and I just love it. I just can't choose one to wear right now. I don't know what to wear right now. What should we go with? Both are looking so pretty. God. Okay, while doing the makeup, we'll go with this one, and once I'm done with my makeup, we'll go with this one. Wow, this is so pretty. Now sit thoda up because it's looking like I'm not wearing anything, and my whole family watches my YouTube channel, so yeah. This is much better because it was looking too much like कि मैंने कुछ पहना ही नहीं है. That's not true. I am wearing this nice cutesy top. So let's get started with the makeup. I have done my skincare, so now we're gonna start with my concealer. I'm using a concealer after so long. This is from Swiss Beauty 02 Creamy Beige, and it's like a stick, so once you do it, it just pops out from here. So I was actually gonna do the pre-launch on Tuesday, and it's Friday today, and I did it yesterday because the things that I planned in my head for Amala didn't happen on Tuesday, like the shipping partner and the products, the shoots, everything was not in the right place, and I wasn't ready to start something without having main important things at place. So even now I'm just doing the pre-launch because there are still some things that I need to take care of. So we just want to officially launch the thing maybe on Sunday or on Monday. If you guys don't know, I'm really fond of accessories. During college I didn't used to wear that much of jewelry, but once I graduated from college, started working in corporate sector and explored more of the other side of the world where you dress up chic and the corporate girly side, and I also worked in fashion. I really love styling my pieces, I really love styling my outfits, and I really love accessorizing my outfits, and I think an outfit is really incomplete without styling your hair, without styling it with the perfect accessories. I used the tinted moisturizer from Zudio, which is Glow Vitamin C, and now I'm using this Just Herbs. What is this? Nourishing Lip and Stick Tint. We're just gonna go for some blush. I'm not just gonna stick with earrings, but I'm also gonna launch neck pieces, bracelets, much more. Stay tuned, guys. I just want to be more active on my social, more and more every day, and whether it's YouTube, whether it's Instagram, I just want to be there, be out there, and that's why I'm just trying to be consistent as much as possible. But to be honest, it's really hard to be daily active when you have a lot going on in your personal life. When you are in your 20s, especially in your 20s, every day there is one or other thing going on in your life. There is no easy day, and there might be some days where you are like, okay, chalo aaj ka din acha ja raha hai, but it happens very once in a blue moon types, but almost every other day there is one or the other thing going on. Even my friends are in their 20s and we all are in our 20s, and when we meet we just understand like सबके life में कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है. So like whenever we meet, it's the chill time where we like get to chill and stop worrying about our problems for for a while, and just talk about something else and have fun and have a good time. So what I was saying is that it's really hard to stay consistent when you have so much of going on in your personal life. But if you want to achieve something, if you want to do something, then you have to show up every day. Then only you're gonna achieve that thing that you want so desperately. Even not just social media, but anything that you want in life. If you want it so bad, then you have to show up every day. And that's just what I'm gonna do, and that's just what I'm trying to do. It's not like I have everything sorted out in my life. It might look so that Mitali has everything sorted out on my socials and everything, but it's not true. Everyone has their own journey. Everyone is dealing with their own battles, which they don't talk about loud. That's the main reason that I tell people to be kind towards each other, like to everyone you see out there, because one bad joke or one bad comment might ruin their whole mental health, because you don't know what the other person is going through. So when you like pass some random shitty comments on others, like think twice before saying something, or just don't say at all if you don't have anything nice to say. That's just what I do personally. If I don't like something, or if I have some negative opinion, if that person is not close to me, and if that person is not open to my criticism or anything like that, I just don't say anything at all. Because if you can't say nice things, just shut up. It's just my friends that I be genuinely brutally honest comes to something they are doing and something they want to achieve, and they want my honest views on it, then I be brutally honest with it, because of course I want their good. And if I see something is not good, and if they're open to criticism, I just be brutally honest with them. I'm just applying too much of blush because I'm just a girl and blush is never enough. Like never. I am so sorry for the frequent light change, because it's a gloomy day and the light keeps changing. So even during launching Amala, I was like, I want everything to be more perfect, and then only I'll start with the jewelry thing. And I was actually planning, I've actually been working on this since June, I guess. I procrastinated half of the time, and then I was like, okay, I need to actually start doing it. And once I started doing it, I was like, no, these things are not happening. This is not able. I'm not able to do this thing. So maybe I should just wait for more some time. And once I'm like able to do that thing as well, then only I can launch this thing. And then one or the other thing kept happening, and I was like, no, I just can't follow this pattern for everything to be perfect, because it will never be. Nothing will ever be perfect. There's always going to be one or the other thing that you'll find that needs to be perfected or needs to be corrected. So you keep learning that every day, and that's how you grow in life. I was like, okay, I need to start it, and that's how I just started it. Today I'm going to post about an in-depth meaning about what is Amala to me. And when I was writing about it, I got so emotional, like yes, exactly, that's just what it is in my mind. And whatever I felt like, I just kept writing and I created this post. It was about exactly how I am raised by my mom and my sister entirely, and I was raised to be a strong independent woman. And sometimes on some days I used to be very sick of it, like I don't want to be so independent all the time. But with time I realized that with independence comes confidence, strength, and you get this confidence in yourself that I can achieve anything I put my mind onto. I used to complain about it so much that I don't want to be strong all the time. I don't want to be independent all the time. And once I realized the perks of it, I started ignoring the cons of it. Like yes, it's okay to be independent. Independence, I also have dependence on my mom in some ways, in somewhat ways. And if I have a partner in future, I might be emotionally dependent on him. But when it comes to mental health, when it comes to even emotional stability at some point, and financial stability, of course, I want to be fully independent, because that's just how I'm raised as. So I can't change that thing about myself. Like I am so used to being doing everything on my own. So when someone else tries to, do something for me, I'm not used to it. Quickly apply a lipstick. I just realized I talked for 13 minutes straight without applying a lipstick. This lipstick is from Oriflame, red lips. So I'm using this Maybelline Superstay matte finish. Back then, I was actually looking at the cons of being raised so independently, and my sister is way more independent than me. Sometimes I get this urge to have someone in my life, rely on him emotionally. Again, then I, be like, okay, fine, I can do it on my own. Yeah, there are days where you feel like you need someone in your life, and it's totally normal to feel that way. You are human. We are on this planet to fall in love, to fall in love with life, to fall in love with nature, fall in love with your family and friends. I feel it's totally normal. And I'm just gonna quickly change my earrings. As I said, I'm gonna wear that earring. So, yeah. So sometimes I get that urge, and I feel like it's totally normal to feel that way. Whenever I have that person in my life with whom I can, rely emotionally, I feel like in start it gets a bit hard for that person to understand me and how I am and how I function. But anyways, apart from that, this is my earring. This is so pretty. This is the shoot I did with Shruti, and when I like showed her this earring, she was like, "Bro, this is so far my favorite one." And I'm just so excited that finally I am doing this thing. I have started this brand, and I want to see it grow so much, and that's what I plan to do with it. And I just want everyone to like wear it, style it however they want, and yeah, I'm just so happy that it's finally out there. Amala is finally out there. Just make sure to follow Amala and check it out. And I think that brings us to the end of the video. That is it for my YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel down below. Please follow Amala on Instagram. It would mean a lot to me if you do. And because there's gonna be so much of fun content, and I'm also gonna do a BTS reel of how I did my first photo shoot of Amala with Shruti. And I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Till then, take care.